Hi everyone, here we've got an OPPO Reno 5 and let me share with you how to enable call waiting on this device. So firstly, let's tap on the dialer, and it doesn't really matter if you will be on your contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here we've got to enter calling accounts. And as you can see here, we have to tap on carrier call settings. Now let's enter additional settings, and as you can see, I've got some problems with my SIM card, but no worries. As you can see on the second position, we've got call waiting, so I hope that in your case it will work perfectly fine. In order to turn on the call waiting, just tap on the switcher on it, and from this moment, your device will notify you about any incoming call if you will be during another one. Obviously, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually, that's all. This is how to enable call waiting in your OPPO Reno 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.